Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over how to use the Phomemo Bluetooth thermal label printer. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're looking to get the Phomemo Bluetooth thermal label printer. How do you actually go ahead about using it? So right out of the box, it does include a power adapter. So first, go ahead and plug that in. Afterwards, go ahead and turn it on by pressing this button here. Now I'm going to go ahead and set up my camera. The next thing that you want to go ahead and do is we're going to go ahead and grab your folded thermal label paper. So it does include thermal paper here as well. So this is a 4x6 paper. And what we're going to do is that we're actually just going to go ahead and you can adjust the width of the thermal label paper printer by moving this back and forth just like this. So we're going to adjust it so that it fits about the length of this paper here. So you can see here, that length on camera is probably good enough. I mean, it might need to be just a tad bit wider. Okay. So now we're going to feed it into the printer. And as it's turned on, it's actually going to intake the paper and adjust it automatically by itself. So you'll see that it does that. And then it's going to shoot back out. So now that the paper's fed, we have a blue light that's been turned on right over here. Sorry, let me move this back. So there's a blue light turned on here that you can see. We have the paper that's fed. So the printer itself is ready. Now, the next thing that we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to go onto our phone and we're going to install this app here. The app is this one here, and it's called Label Life. So go ahead and install it. And then the next thing that you're going to go ahead and do is that you're going to go ahead and make sure that Bluetooth is turned on your mobile device. So give it about a second. And what's going to happen is that it should automatically find your printer that's turned on here. So as you can see, there's like a little exclamation point on the printer here. So click on that. And then it's going to start searching for your printer. So the printer for the Phomemo is PM. So we're going to click to connect. And now our printer has been connected successfully. So what we can do from here is that we can do PDF printing, image printing, file printing straight from your phone. So let's do an image print. And we're going to make sure that the label is a gap label. The width and height is going to be 4x6. Print quality is 10, just one copy. And then we're going to click on the plus icon down over here. And we're just going to go ahead and print out a random label. So this is just an example label. It's a fake address, fake name. But what you can see here is that you're just going to see the label. And then we're just going to go ahead and click on confirm. And then towards the bottom, we're just going to go ahead and click on print. So once you click on print, it's automatically going to go ahead and print that label. So as you can see, we've now gone ahead and printed the label, which we can just rip out straight from the folded label thermal paper printer. But that's pretty much it though, as far as how to use the Phomemo thermal label printer. It does include a USB adapter for the Mac as well. And you could also connect it straight to your laptop if you choose to as well. So if you do want to print straight from your computer or laptop, there is a driver that you need to use. You just install the driver, connect it via Bluetooth, and you're able to print from your laptop. But as demonstrated, you could also print directly from your phone, which is pretty useful. But that's right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and use the Phomemo thermal label printer. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.